This is a 1959 Norman Nippy Deluxe, and I know what you're thinking. Tell me the first thing that comes to your mind when you see this bike, because I know what you're thinking. That's exactly what I thought too. Everybody with me, Pink Pony Club! But in all seriousness though, this Norman Nippy is a gorgeous little thing, and this is the deluxe version. Yes, she's a 1959 Norman Nippy, built just down the road in Ashford, Kent. And what a beautiful thing she is. Yes, she's pink, and yes, that song did come to mind, and I'm very sorry about that, but how could I not? But just look at it. It's so full of character and charm. And I just love it. I love it. And it's giving off such a beautiful classic bike smell. I wish you could have smell-o-vision. I should invent that. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. So I'm just going to take you for a little walk around to go through the ins and outs of this bike. So yes, here she is, the Norman Nippy Deluxe 49cc moped produced in Ashford, Kent in the 50s and 60s. This model is the deluxe version, which was an upgraded version of the original Nippy, and the deluxe featured upgrades such as chrome embellishments, improved saddle and refined handlebars. Lightweight and practical, the Nippy is a charming example of vintage British moped engineering and is sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. For those unaware, a moped has to have bicycle pedals by law, and I love the fact that the Norman name is embellished upon them. What a gorgeous little thing she is. But do come and see this bike and all the others that we have here at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester, because you get up and close and personal, you get to feel their soul, they have a soul. And get to, learn what their story could be, because I bet from 1959 she's got a lot of stories to tell. So yeah, Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester, www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk for this bike and many more rare, collectible, iconic and classic bikes.